Here's an updated look at Cosmopolitan Las Vegas, and I'll show you where all the hidden Easter eggs are. STK is their nightclub-style steakhouse. Pause for an idea of the pricing. Alejo has a hidden restaurant and is excellent. Skip Wicked Spoon, though, it's terrible. Block 16 has some amazing food, and if you go to the back, behind the door with the donkey on it is a hidden bar. Down this unmarked hallway is a hidden pizzeria called Secret Pizza. Behind this fully functioning pawn shop is a restaurant, and behind this door is a hidden ski lodge. Go downstairs, behind the barber pole is a club. These machines are full of art and hidden all over the property. The sportsbook here is a little bit basic, but the gaming floor otherwise is stunning. There's a lot of entertainment. Marquee is a great nightclub and a day club. Click has fantastic drinks and is a great girls bar. The hotel lobby is stunning and vibey. The pools are great, and in the winter they turn them into an ice skating rink with fantastic views. For the price, this is where you'll find the best hotel rooms in the city. Just take a look at this view, but expect to spend over $400 a night. Have you been? Would you go? Let me know, and follow me for all the Vegas. This is the wildest dinner in Las Vegas, and at the end I share a secret no one knows. You enter this chamber. There are 8 doors. Most lead to nothing, but one will get you into a speakeasy, a restaurant, and a show. This is Superfrico. You're going to want to start with the tableside mozzarella. It's $85 and large enough for 4 to share. It's served with charcuterie and fresh sourdough. It is perfection. While you dine, there is atmospheric entertainment, but they won't engage with you if you don't want them to, so you won't be put on the spot. There is always something going on. The menu is elaborate and extensive. It is billed as psychedelic Italian, whatever that means. Do not skip the $68 pizza with an entire butter poached lobster on top. And for dessert, go for the shareable platter and try everything. It's a wild ride. Now for the secret. Hidden behind a curtain is a secret chamber called the Reliquary. It's full of artifacts, and if available when requested, you can dine in here. I'll put more details in the comments. Reservations required. Have you been? Would you go? Let me know, and follow me for all the Vegas. Vegas has a new show, and you're not going to want to miss this one. This show is formerly known under another name. It's by the same company that created Absinthe, and this is a smaller, cozier version of Absinthe. It is a collection of fast-paced, daring variety acts that are intended for adults only, with a good amount of humor and a whole lot of risque. You need to be open-minded and not easily offended. I can't show you some parts of this show, but everything is performed by professionals and consenting adults. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit edgier, or you really enjoyed Absinthe, you're gonna like this one. Located next to Superfrico and Ski Lodge. Details in the comments. Have you been? Would you go? Let me know, and follow me for all the Vegas. Watch close and I'll show you a secret door in Las Vegas. This wooden door with the gold emblem leads to the Ski Lodge. This is on the 2nd floor next to the buffet at Cosmo. One of these doors leads to a secret lounge with falling snow. It's dark and cozy and a little bit weird. They don't accept reservations and it can get rather busy, but this is the Ski Lodge. Behind that glass is falling snow. Entertainers walk through performing for guests, and there are little tables and private alcoves. The drink price averages $20, and they always have a seasonal menu. And you can order a tableside s'mores where you can literally make a s'more while watching the falling snow for $24. You can also order pizza from Superfrico and have it served in here, which is great if you didn't get your reservation in time. Details and comments. Have you been? Would you go? Let me know, and follow me for all the Vegas.